Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How we all doing today? Yeah. Yeah, good morning, guys. How's everybody doing today? Back again, another day of trading and taking out some profits. So I haven't had a trade in, well, all of yesterday I didn't have a trade. I mean, we had 3 trades on Wednesday, so I guess that makes up for it, but all around it's been a slow week, I would say, in terms of entries, because we have had movement, just entries haven't been so forthcoming. Yeah, at least for New York session. It's quite a few in Asian session though. I didn't trade Asian session. I think I only traded it once, and the once I believe I got break even. I'm not too sure. Okay, let's get right into the charts. Actually, no, the first thing, what we're gonna start doing is looking at news first, just to see what we should be expecting in terms of volume for the day. So let's see. Okay, today we have unemployment, right? We got unemployment rates and non-farm payrolls, so that should bring decent volume into the market here, right? 8:30. Cool. Okay, now let's get into the charts. GJ, my friend. Yeah, so I mean, I don't want to say I told you so, but I mean, I told you so, you know. So we had this 188 point was it 5? Yeah, 188.5 area to get tapped into before we continue any movement up, right? We tapped right below that, right? We tapped pretty much into 188.2, right? We tapped into 188.2, and now we're primed to continue this movement up on the monthly. Today is Friday though, right? So we have news as well, so news is gonna play a factor, but is it possible that we flip during this week? I mean, when we go to the weekly time frame, we'll see how possible that is, right? But yeah, we're primed now to continue to move up, because if you notice here as well, right, we tapped into these areas and then we continued moving up to break these, to tap into this level right here, right? So yeah, you could see that play out in in the next coming weeks or days, right? Okay, now into the weekly. Okay, so the weekly also tapped into a level, right? And that's why I thought that 188.5 level was so key, because it was a level of interest on the monthly, right, which would be a rejection area, and it's also a level of interest on the weekly, which is this level right here. Right now we're tapping into that level, tapping into the moving averages as well, and it looks like we're rejected, right? So I do believe, like I said before, right, if we're gonna continue up, we're most likely gonna close this week inside this range. But again, news is gonna play a factor here, right? So we'll see what happens. But I am expecting price to close somewhere inside this range. So today we should get some buys into that range. But let's see. Let's see how the daily closed. The daily closed closed bearish again, but I would say so inside this range, right? Closed bearish, but still respecting this range, this support. I mean, I would say I'm surprised we didn't take these lows before coming back up if we were gonna drive up, but I believe this in itself was the rejection. I'm actually surprised we even came back down all this way, right? If we're gonna continue back up and this is the rejection, we had a closure inside this range. I'm actually surprised that we came down all this way again, right? So yeah, that's, keep that in mind as well. Keep that in mind, because we could just continue dropping here, right? Because even though we have a generally bullish outlook for in terms of the trend, or in terms of where price is gonna go in the long term, right now we're seeing, I mean, one bearish closure, two bearish closure, three bearish closure, and now we're currently on our fourth, right? Is this candle gonna flip here? Again, news is gonna play a factor, but for now it's looking bearish, right? Things are looking bearish, because I wouldn't have expected this to create this much of a bottom wick. Maximum I would have expected maybe a tap into this level and then a rejection, right? But we came all the way down here and still never took we still haven't taken those lows, so we could just continue to see some movement downwards, right? So that being said, I am technically looking for sells, right? In terms of my range 1, range 2, I would be looking primarily for sells. Let's see, where are these 4-hour, and we had a 4-hour bearish closure as well, right? Below this level, yeah, below that level, this low still hasn't been taken, so at any point in time this can flip and continue driving down to fill the rest of this range going down. Say that, probably that as well. I'm gonna keep the ranges a little wider on the 4-hour here, right? I mean, this is a healthy looking candle going up, right? But I mean, currently we're still pretty bearish, I would say. Pretty bearish. Should I consider this one? I'll keep it in mind, I guess. Yeah, I'll keep that in mind. Yeah, so this would be my levels on the 4-hour. Let me just take this out. That will be my level on 4. Let's see the hourly. So hourly, range 1. So this support is held, so break of that support, we could take some sells going down. And in terms of buys, well, okay, so yep, so that's range 1. And then I'd say, yeah, I'd say there for range 2. Yeah, that's what I'd have for range 2 buys. Yep. So this is an interesting candle, right? Because the hour, oh no, the 30-minute just closed, right? So this is a new 30-minute. We closed bullish. So this is a little bit of fake out. A little bit. Yeah, it's a little fake out on the 30-minute here. It's interesting. Let me see my ranges here. Okay. Okay. Hours 30. Minute. Let's see. What's my range going up? Yeah, we have multiple rejections off of here. I'd say, yeah, I'd say that's good. All right, maybe this level, consider this level for my next resistance. Yeah, I like that level. I like that level. I like that level. Yeah, I'll keep it there. Yeah, so these are the current current levels I'm looking at. You want to be careful taking the buys off of here though. I believe you want to, if you break above, you still want to be careful. You still want to see a good bottom wick before you start buying. But above this level right here, I believe you could just, you don't really need much of a bottom wick. Again, you could play the bottom wick here as well, right? But you would have wanted to buy up here though, or sell rather. If you were gonna sell, if you were gonna play the bottom wick, you would have wanted to sell up here. But the hourly doesn't have, right? So yeah, I wouldn't advise sales right now, because the hourly did hold this support, right? Yeah, it's a little bit higher up the hourly, but we did hold support here on the hourly and on the 30-minute, right? If I mean, if we're considering this the support, we it's a fake out, right? That's multiple fake outs, really. Yeah, so you want to see how this candle closes here, because we could flip and immediately flip and just drive back up, right? But yeah, if I was playing the flip of this candle, I would I believe I would just take, yeah, I would just take profits as soon as we flip, close most of the position, and then go break even. But this is it's not really a setup. It's more of a I don't know, an observable, I don't know the English to use, but it's something I've seen before. You know, it's something that tends to happen, right? It would flip right here, so it's something that tends to happen, but it doesn't necessarily mean it's going to happen, right? So we'll wait on the closer here. Wait on the closers. But these are my levels on GJ. Let me see gold. Okay, did we break out? Yeah, we had some buys during Asian session. I didn't really have entries, but we did have buys, but there were no entries. I mean, I like the way gold is right now, and I also don't like the way gold is, because, you know, it's easy to analyze on the higher time frames, right? Because the monthly is bullish, right? The weekly is bullish, right? The daily, you want to take a guess, is bullish, right? So I mean, this is as easy an analysis as you would like, right? It's all bullish, right? I mean, I wish, if only, right? If I was in this trade right here, I mean, I'm leaving this to run. I'm in. I'm in runners already. This is TP right here, right? 610 pips for TP, right? And these are just runners, right? And this was when? This was last week. Now this was Monday. This push right here was on Monday, so this is the beginning of the week, right? So hey, it is what it is, but man. All right, let's see. I'm sure there's somebody somewhere that has runners that's holding from this level. I'm very sure, because these, I mean, if you're looking at this on the daily, if say you're taking the swing trade, come on, what else do you want? All right, you had a closure above, right? All-time highs, right? Price has never closed above this level before, right? So new week, you get a little bit of a bottom wick. Put your stop loss below previous daily. Shit, let it rock. Let it rock. There goes your swing trade right there. But sadly, I don't have enough money to swing trade. I am a prop firm trader. Challenge phase. Not yet. Soon come. All right, so on the lower time frames, we have started to make some levels here, right? That's good. Yeah, you started to make some levels here, but not much. So right, the lower time frames are still gonna be your, I'd say, your bread and butter, right? So the hourly, I like that the hourly has done a little bit more here. Yeah, that this is held as well, so this resistance is held as well, so we formed a new resistance over there. Let's see. I mean, sell wise, yeah, that would be potential sales. This would be confirmed sales. If we started to fall below this level here, yeah, confirmed sales right there. I don't think we will, because I mean, we just broke into, again, I don't have the best or the most extensive experience trading all-time highs, but I mean, we just broke, we're at all-time highs, you know. Gold has been on a bullish run. Most of the outlook for gold has been bullish for the year, so yeah, I think we're gonna continue. We'll see pullbacks here and there, but I think for the majority, yeah, for the majority of time, I think we're gonna continue with the push up. Sorry for the music. I believe my headphones got disconnected or something. The music back? Yeah, I think so. Okay, so no. Yeah, so we have levels. We have our levels. Let's see the 5-minute as well. Okay. Yeah, and I mean, I wouldn't take sales based off of the 5-minute. I mean, when I say I wouldn't, I mean I specifically wouldn't, just because I don't have any experience doing that in terms of a level that's just based off of the 5-minute, right? Because this is not, okay, well, I guess this is a level on the 30 hourly. Well, it's not a level on the hourly, but it's a level on the 30. So yeah, actually you could, man, I mean, you could see potential sells here at these levels here, because at least one of the higher time frames have, yeah, coincide with this level. And on the 5-minute, it's a decent level as well. Yeah, break up below there, break below here. So this would have been, I reckon this would have been where I was looking at. But yeah, 15, 30. Interesting, huh? Yeah, so for now, we're gonna mark up this 30-minute level just so we have it out at the back of our mind. All right. Yeah, because I'm not too keen on sell, so it doesn't really matter. But yeah, so I mean that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. Now we just wait for some closures, right? And we wait for some closures here, and yeah, we should be good to go. Let's see what we can get here. How's everybody doing? How's the week been? W week, L week? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Dun, dun. Yeah, so we're just gonna wait for the hourly here, huh? We're gonna wait for the hourly to close, and yeah, we'll see what we can get from there. I'm not even gonna speculate the probability of us getting a trade because yesterday it did me 30. Right, I really thought news was gonna do something yesterday, but we didn't get anything. Right. Yeah, spent about 3 hours on stream doing fuck all. Right, so yeah, excuse my language. So yeah, let's see what happens, huh? Let's see what happens. News in about what's that? 44 minutes, 45 minutes. Yeah. Yeah, the challenge is we're pretty much break even. We haven't really taken many trades. I haven't really taken any trades. Bruh, profit target is 600. I mean, it seems like a lot, but in reality, if I get one 5-minute entry, oh, I'm cooking. For sure I'm cooking. For sure I'm cooking, because I mean, look at this. Look at my I saved this account, right? I saved this account with 2 trades. Glory be to God. But yeah, I saved this account with two trades, right? Where are the trades? Where is that? Profit. Oh no, it's not gonna show. It's not gonna show my I'm gonna show the trades I took prior to the reset. Let me see what, yeah. F9. Ooh, hello. I was about to do something. Okay, so 179. These 2 trades is what I used to save the account. Right, so 180 and 111. Right, so let's say 300. Right, let's say that's a cool 300. Right, and those were 2 trades taken on the same day off of a 5-minute entry. Right, so I mean, all things considered, right? All things considered, hold up. There you go. Yeah, so all things considered, if I wasn't quote unquote risking everything, I probably wouldn't have let the trade run that much. I probably would have closed partials a lot sooner, so it wouldn't have, you know, run up to those amounts. But the potential is there, is what I'm saying, right? The potential for big gains, especially with the sniper entries, the 5-minute entries. Yeah, we there's a lot of potential for some money to be made right there. For sure. Yeah, let's see how this 8-minute candles. If we don't have anything of interest by 8 o'clock, I'll go, I'll go AFK, and then I'll be back in 15 minutes, right? Just in preparation for news. Yeah. The news we have today, this unemployment, okay, no. Yeah, not unemployment rate, but the news from yesterday, I think, is unemployment claims, right? Where is that? That's today. Oh, from yesterday, bro. How do I even check the... Let me see. Yeah, so the news from yesterday was jobless claims. Yeah, jobless claims, right? So like the jobless claims news, I used to think it was so like new jobless claims, right? Like the value, in terms of the value we see, I thought like every single week, right, this amount of people, claimed unemployment or whatever, right? But it's not. It's there's one that includes that, just the new people, and then there's one that's overall, right? So the pre-existing and the new. Because I was like, yo, for real, we got like thousands of people claiming unemployment in within 1 week or every single week. But nah, that's just it's a running count. We count up. They count up the unemployment like I count up my money. That's a bar. That's a bar. All right. Yeah, fun stuff. Oh, she just love trading. So much fun. So did this actually flip, right? Yeah, this flipped. So yeah, it was more likely to flip than not, especially with no volume, really. Right, we're still inside this range. There's not really much volume yet. Right, we're gonna have volume with the New York Open at 8, but not much volume yet. So the chances that this would flip were pretty high, but can't really enter off of more speculation than anything. It's a high probability gamble, I would say. Which, I mean, technically that's all Forex is, right? It's highly informed, high probability gambles, because at the end of the day, price is gonna do what price does, right? And like, if I make an analysis, right, I analyze the charts. Just because I believe my analysis to be true doesn't mean it's true. You know what I mean? So at the end of the day, it's still a gamble. It's just it's a highly educated gamble. It's a gamble with a PhD, But that's why you want to stick with one strategy, right? Like, you want to have a strategy and stick to it, because if you have a roulette of strategies, and then sometimes one wins, sometimes one is winning, one is losing, or rather, like, sometimes the same one is winning and losing, and then another one is winning and losing. It's hard to get a beat on you know, which one is the most profitable, or which one is, you know, because like say you had 3 strategies, right? You took a trade, you took 3 trades in a row, but each trade that you took in a row was with a different strategy, but you won twice. You won 2 of those trades and you lost 1. So now in your mind, right, you're like, oh, I'm nice with it, right? But in reality, every single one of those trading strategies could be a dud, right? It could be a dud, right? Because now if you're looking at probability wise, right, on paper, you're like, okay, that's 2 out of 3 times I want to trade with my strategy. But your strategy is 3 different strategies, right? So in reality, you don't really have data. You don't really have 3 data points for your strategy. You have 1 for each, right? So one of those trades, one of those strategies is 1 for 1, right? So you took 1 trade with that strategy and you won that 1 trade. That could have been luck. You don't know, right? Luck turns to what? What would I say? Luck turns to facts or whatever. I don't know. Based off of data, right? So if the data is not the more extensive the data, the more you can say, okay, this is, you know, the more correlation you could draw between your strategy and the outcome, right? But less data, there's still the variable of luck is still at play. It's still highly at play, right? So back to the example, right? You have 3 trades, but in reality you have 1 out of 1, 0 out of 1, and 1 out of 1 for 3 different trades or 3 different strategies, right? So in the long run, you're just, you know, you're making life harder for yourself in the long run, because you're not gonna be able to get a beat on if any one of those strategies is actually you know, profitable. I mean, in the long run, probably, right? But why go through all of that when you can just focus on one strategy, you know, get a good amount of data, right? And then you analyze that. If it's shit, you get rid of the strategy. You go on to the next one, you know? And yeah, so on and so forth. Trust me, I've had quite a few strategies in my day. Okay, so GJ is coming up here. We're about to close. Gold going down. We're about to close on the hourly as well. I understand this is a large range here, right? So you could get something inside this range, but yeah, I'm not too comfortable with that. I am not too comfortable with that. Plus, we have news in 30 minutes, so even if a move was gonna happen here, I'm pretty sure I could still get a piece of it off of news. Okay, GJ closing above, right? And like I said, I would consider buys here, but you want to be careful with the buys here, right? I mean, look at the open, right? We opened no bottom wick, so now I need this to come down and create a good bottom wick. I need a good bottom wick to continue my way up. Because really what this could do, I mean, this could come up, tap into this level, and then close back below, continue down, right? Or we could go straight through the level and, you know, push up. But yeah, I can't really take this buy right now. I don't like how it opened. But if we can tap into these levels, let me see, where have we driven off before? So this one went up. This one, I mean, we're not even there yet, right? Yeah, we're not there yet. Okay, so this, okay, so I'd say if we're going by rejection areas, I'd say so somewhere around here. Yeah, I like how fast we're making this bottom wick as well. All right. Yeah, so in terms of taking the buys here, what I would want to see here is a pullback to this levels right here. All right, if we can get a pullback, tap into this level, I'll get in on the flip of the candle. This becomes a very high probability trade if all that happens within this first 5 minutes. Then this becomes very probable, right? So 8 o'clock just hit, so New York open. Yeah, so we should see some volume from that as well, but yeah, we're flipping now and we might drive up here, but I'll have to just watch that, right? Because I mean, yeah, it's not an entry quite yet. Not an entry quite yet. You want to see a pullback to these levels, around these levels, and I believe that's the 15 low as well. Well, that was the break of some low. Was that the 5? Oh yeah, that's the previous 5, right? Okay. So 15 hourly, 4 hour. See the hourly level. So that's up. Let me see. Pull above. Yeah, came above, came all the way down here for a tap in. Closed above, came here for a tap in. That's around these levels here. Yeah, so we're flipping here. We might drive up. Yeah, we might drive up, but no entries yet. But don't worry, we have news. We have news regardless. We have news regardless. We have news regardless. It's the daily pulling up 4 hours. Well, yeah. So the fact that we just came up again, took out those highs, the probability of our entry setting up is pretty low, right? The fact that we just came up again after flipping like this, you would have wanted price to continue to push down, right, without flipping up again, or without flipping I mean, it could have flipped bullish but without taking out that high again. So now that we've taken out that high again, we're probably either gonna continue going up, right, to tap this level immediately, or we're gonna see a rejection here, and I doubt we're gonna flip off the same 15-minute candle, right? At best, we'll probably see a rejection, maybe close bearish respecting this level, right? But yeah, in terms of the entries we were looking for playing out, pretty low now, pretty low. Yeah, so we're gonna wait here. We're gonna wait for 10 minutes, right? So okay, 15-minute close. So we're gonna wait on the 15-minute closer, and yeah, I'll be right back. Don't forget, leave a like, subscribe. I'm gonna start churning out some videos pretty soon. The videos are based on the live, so just tune into the live and you'll be good. You'll be Gucci. All right, yeah, one sec, guys. All right. So what did the 15-minute do here? So yeah, so we continued coming up here, but this is why we would have wanted a steeper bottom wick, right? Because the steeper bottom wick, what that tells us is we're basically preparing to push up, right? The steeper bottom wick and the flip is telling us that yeah, we've come down, we've settled all the business we want to settle down here, and then now we're preparing to push up as we are now, right? Like this 15-minute candle, if we came down here, I guarantee you, if we came, well, I can't guarantee you what didn't happen, but most likely if we came down here on the first 5 minutes of the previous 15, tapped into this level and flipped, we would have broken clean above this range, right? Maybe towards here, right? Maybe towards that level over here. But now that we've closed like this, I mean, it's nice for the buys up, but we have news in 15, so we might as well wait. I might go, let me see what gold did. Yeah, gold tapped into the 30-minute level, right? Yeah, looks like did it close below? Nah, close respecting. Yeah, not close respecting the level. So yeah, 15 minutes for news though. Hey, oh boy, bomba clock. All right, 15 minutes for news. Let's see what we can. Oh, my phone is at 1%. Damn, creator of the dude that created Dragon Ball Z passed away. Crazy. Yeah, R.I.P. dog. R.I.P. That man, he defined so many people's childhoods, bro. A lot. I ain't gonna lie. A lot of Next Man's character are based off of Goku, bro. Goku inspired so many people's way of living. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. Wait, so what does that mean? I mean, I don't think is he still the one that's been writing? Because I know Dragon Ball Z is it's not done, right? Well, Dragon Ball Z is done, but like the Dragon Ball, you know, franchise, they're still releasing new chapters and all that, right? But I don't think he writes it anymore. Or when they say created, is that the same as writer? Is that a different thing? I don't know. Let me see. Creator. Bro, they be March 1st. Oh, he died a while ago. Okay. Yeah, R.I.P. dog. $68. Word. Damn, dog. Bro, why is the news that all of the news is recent? Why is Wikipedia saying, oh nah, this isn't even Wikipedia, this is just this Twitter, man? It said March 1st, no? Let me see these motherfuckers. So okay, the studio said it on Friday, but it might have happened previously, right? Bro, even Oda said Toriyama's presence was like a victory to younger artists. Yeah, R.I.P. the GOAT. R.I.P. the GOAT. Let me tell you, bro. From dust we came, from dust we shall return, you know. But it's always a sad thing, you know, when you lose. Well, I say you lose, but his family probably hit harder than you know, the fans and all that. But it's always a sad thing to lose, you know, someone of influence, you know, like Kobe, bro. The day Kobe passed, oh my goodness, I didn't cry, you know, because I got chest on my head, nigga, you know what I mean? So I didn't cry, but you know, it was yeah, man, it was weird. It was like I knew the dude. I wasn't even a Laker fan, dog. I was a Kobe fan, but it was almost like I knew the guy. I know exactly where I was too when I heard about the news. I was in Nigeria. It was during lockdown. I remember where I was sitting. I was sitting at the dining table and I was playing Among Us. I believe I was playing Among Us. Yeah, man. I remember the exact day when Kobe died, bro. Yeah, R.I.P. the Mamba. R.I.P. I forgot his name already, but Dragon Ball Z creator. Yeah, man. All right, let's see. 7 minutes. Come on, give me something. Give me something. I know it's a Friday, but give me something. Market. I need to take a trade. Well, I don't need to take a trade, but I would prefer to take a trade. Let's see that stream record go from 9-4 to 10-4. 10-4. We got runners in progress. Oh, bro, I should have saved that joke. I bet I'm gonna use that joke. If we get a trade, I'm gonna record. And if we get into runners, if we got runners going, I'm gonna use that joke. Shit. That'd be my first YouTube short. Hilarious. Hey, whoever is, I'm seeing one viewer, bro, and you've been here consistently from like 720. I respect it. I appreciate your time and your internet. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, you know what I'm saying? Because you could say something in the chat too, you know what I mean? We're friendly over here. We're friendly over here. And if it's just one of my brothers that, you know, opened up, put me in a side window, I appreciate you too. Thank you. They don't know about it, man. You know, y'all that find me early, you guys are gonna, you know, you guys are You guys are the lucky ones, you know, because when I blew, whoa, hold up, chill out. Not when I see, when I blow is, it's different connotation when depending on where you're from. You know, if you're from the West, it's a different connotation, but if you're from Nigeria, then yeah, that's what I mean when I make it big, you know. Wait, oh man, that don't sound any better, huh? Crazy. Better hop on the bandwagon. Hop on the bandwagon. Let me say Q&A. Trading. When I see the sun, 50 of them gone. You know, sometimes you reckon you, or I reckon, I don't know, because this is I sort of saw this coming, right? Like, if we were gonna not tap into this level first, I saw that we would have a rejection off of this level, right? Just probability wise, right? But yeah, I mean, it's easy to say that if you took a trade off of every, not impulse, I don't want to say impulse, but if you took a trade off of every, say, I don't know, probability, you know, it's easy to say you would win more times than you would lose, but the fact is, it's probably hindsight bias. Well, not hindsight bias, that's not correct. It's probably more you only remember, or you remember mostly, or you remember more the times you were right than the times that you were wrong, right? Because the times you were wrong, if you didn't take the trade, you're probably just, you know, you probably just disregard it, right? It gets relegated into, you know, the shadow realm. But if you see a move you were thinking about play out, you'll take notice of it, right? Because you'll be like, oh, if only I had entries, or I knew it was gonna do that, right? So there's some bias there. So because yeah, like this one, I was more likely than not, if, see, now we're coming down to create that bottom wick, but the fact that we tapped into that level before coming down here, more likely than not, we're gonna come down, or rather, before, the fact that we tapped into that level before we made a bottom wick, yeah, more likely than not that this was gonna happen. But it was just as likely that something else would have happened, that we would have broken straight through, right? Okay, 30-minute. We pulling up for the 30-minute closure. Let's see if GJ can do something for me. Alright, put your money in. Where do you think price is gonna go? Up, down, up, down, up, down. My money on GJ is down. My money on gold is, you know what? I'm a betting man. I say down. Yeah. Gotta bet against the grain. Did I say up or down for GJ? I don't know. I forget. I think I said down. Well, that's my money gone. Yeah, hell yeah. I said down for gold for sure. Shit, nice. Okay, all right. So how did news come out? Mixed? Yeah, pretty mixed. I mean, you have 2 positive, 1 negative. If we're just taking the high impact news into consideration. Okay. Bomba clock. Okay. Que lo que. This one came up, created that. I tell you why I'm looking at GJ instead of gold. Cause GJ has levels, right? GJ actually has levels. Yeah, you're not early for shit, dog. Yeah, love. Give me 1 second, dog. News just dropped. Okay, so I'll tell you why I'm looking at GJ right now. Cause GJ has levels. I like gold for buys, but gold does not have levels. I don't know where we might reject off of. Yeah. Damn. Okay, let me see. What's my 5-minute level here? So if I break these lows, should see a continuation down, right? Okay. Okay, so the reason I'm not looking at gold as much is just because we don't have levels, right? So we could close like this, or we're most likely gonna close bullish like this, right? But are we rejecting off of a level? Like, I don't know where exactly, where you know, I'm not really sure. But off of volume, if we're just taking this off of volume, then yeah, and this is good to drive up, right? Let me see. Yeah, because my stop loss would need to be this. This would need to be my stop loss, right? For my stop loss to make sense, for the trade to make sense. Yeah, GJ might just close back inside the range, which is okay as well, right? But we'll just wait for a what's it called? A 15-minute close, or maybe even the 4-hour close, right? Yeah, as much as I would like to take a trade here on gold, I'm not gonna lie to you, right? Okay, I'll tell you what. Fucking hell. Yeah, bro, I can't take this buys with sense. Like, I can take the buys, just not with sense. I gotta turn off my brain if I'm gonna just buy off rip. Cause this is no level, bro. This is all-time highs. I don't know where the levels are at. But I'll tell you what. If we close like this, right? If we come down, no top wick, come down, no top wick, I'll buy off the flip. Well, even if we make a top wick, doesn't matter. But we need to come down and retest this level and flip on the 5. Then I'll get in. I'm understanding with news we might just continue driving up, right? It might be gone. right? It might be gone. I'm not gonna lie to you. Let's see the minute. Oh yeah, you were right actually. Let me see what the minute is doing. Oh yeah, that's true. That is true. That is true. Okay. Okay, so we came down, we formed this support. We formed this support here on the minute. Okay. 15:30, 15, 5. Okay, 5 a minute. Okay, so I'll tell you what, if we can break these lows, I'll get in on the flip. Yeah, we flipping already. Well, yeah, we're gonna see a push. We're gonna see a push. Yeah, brace yourself. Brace yourself for some FOMO. Dickhead, man. Damn, so we have the support holding. Why do you use trading view? Because it's easier, bro. I mean, it's easier for me. Maybe it's because that's what I started with though, but for me it's easier. It's clearer. Okay, so yeah, this is what we want to see. We want to see this. This is good. This is good. This is good. Okay, take out those lows. Take out those lows. Just take out those lows. I mean, that's decent too, no lie. That's decent too. So if we flip there, we have a vantage point to feel the top of that. Okay, so I'm gonna have a buy stop. See, 681, 30, 15, this. Okay, now I'm just gonna come down here. I'm gonna consider this level instead. Yeah, I'm gonna have a buy stop at the flip of this 5 minute. Go. How many pips is that? About 100. So say 0.2. Buy stop. Remember to account for margin for spreads. So for yeah, so I have a buy stop on the 15-minute flip. Break even is gonna be at the fill of this range, of the fill of this wick to the left, right? That's gonna be break even. And then TPs, I mean, take your pick, bro. Take your pick, bro. Take your pick. Take your pick. I mean, where do you want your TPs, to be honest? Shit. Take your pick. It's free range, man. Free range, but you want to be break even at the fill of that range if we get to that point, right? But let's see. I'm not in yet. I got buy stops. Let me just not in yet. Okay, well, I'm in yet. Now I'm in. Okay, let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens. So 5.2. Yeah, you want this 5 to close bullish. You want the 5 to close bullish. Okay. You want the 5 to close bullish. Let me see this. Put this right here. Now what is it? F9? Okay. Yo, my fault, bro. 1 second. Okay. Yeah, so we're having that's a good closure on the 5. What I'm gonna do, I'm just getting ready in terms of going break even. So I'm gonna put my stop loss in place. 212169. I mean, like I said, TP is Narnia, right? You can put your TP wherever, but you want to go break even as soon as you tap into that level. Okay. And we're going up. Okay, we should see a push. We should see a push. Yeah, if we stall too much around here, then I'm gonna start getting a little nervous. But as of now, there's really no reason for me to go break even quite yet. You're approaching. All right, and right there, I'm gonna go break even. Beautiful. Cool. So now you've tapped into that level, you want to go break even. I'm gonna close most of the position as well. I see we're still running up here, but I'm gonna just close most of the position. So say 0.15. Yeah, that's beautiful. Yeah, so I've closed off most of the position and I'm gonna let the rest run. She's a runner, she's a track star. Yeah. So cool. Yeah, we're still going up here. That's, I mean, you don't have, the sky is literally the limit, right? Like the sky is literally the limit. The sky is literally the limit. There's, in terms of where price could run up to is, I mean, I couldn't tell you, bro. I couldn't tell you. I couldn't tell you, man. But yeah, so we got runners going. My current TP is at 2300 because why not? Yeah, man. Yeah, good trade. W trade. Let me see. How do I change this? Yeah, there you go. Yeah, so that's the trade, guys. That's the trade. So we're gonna leave gold to do its thing. If we're gonna go up here, we're gonna see some we should see some decent runners. Let me see something. Cool. So how many pips was that? How many pips was that? 180. It's about 30 pips. Yeah, 30 pips. Nice. Now see, this is why the skill is more important than, you know, than the money, right? Because I just got 30 pips off of that. Right now, imagine you scale that up, you have a larger account size, you scale that up with a, oh, my fault, bro. Discord. Yeah, if you're still here, I unmuted Discord, bro. My fault, brother. I was locked in. But yeah, nah, what was I saying? I was saying something. I forget what I was saying, but yeah. Oh, what's the joke? I was gonna use a joke, no? Oh, fair, Rev. I had a joke. Shit. I forgot the joke, man. Yeah, so see, we're coming back to flip here, so I mean that's okay. Right? I guess we have now we have sort of levels. We got a target levels at 2186, right? So we chilling. I'm chilling. I'm chilling. Cool. So overall, how many pips was that? Yeah, still 30 pips, not really much. Coolio. Let me just update the record. Oh, plus 30. Plus 30, getting sturdy. We getting sturdy with plus 30. Oh yeah, it was 10-4. 10-4, we got a runner. Come on, bro. I fucked it. Man, it's a joke for another day. Oh, well, I guess we're the... Man, that was a once in a lifetime joke, bro. This feels bad. But nah, beautiful trade. Beautiful trade there off of news. Yeah, man. And now that's experience under my belt in terms of trading the highs, right? So beautiful trade. I'll stay till 9 just to see what GJ does. If GJ has something for me by 9, I'll take it on stream. But if not, I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Again, it's Friday, bro. It's Friday. If you got something out of the markets, go touch some grass, nigga. Go hug your family. Go say wagwan to your kids. Your kids ain't seen you since last unemployment claims, bro. Go talk to your kids. Yeah, plus 30. Okay, let me see. Yeah, I can finally take this out of what's it called? Out of negative. Yeah, boy. 21.18 in profit. Yeah, so you know what that means, bro. You know what that means. It's nothing but up from here. 118. Well, I don't know why I'm putting the bell in. Yes, sir. Ski, we back in the positive. Hopefully, you know, we keep consistent with the entries, and yeah, man, we should run it up. We can run it up here. We can run it up. I tell you what, though, if this is the challenge I pass, I'm a screenshot this chart, whatever this chart is gonna look like at the end. I'm gonna screenshot it, and I'm gonna make a poster out of it, bro. I'm gonna make a poster. I'm gonna hang it up on my wall every morning. I'm gonna look at it. Let me tell you. Yeah, such is life, huh? Nice. Are we still running up or no? I don't even know. This 15.5. Okay, nah, not quite. Coolio. Hey, and just because I'm done with the buys here, I mean, if you've gotten something out of the markets already, I mean, go do something else, right? It's a Friday, bro. It's a Friday. Go do something else. But what's it called? Yeah, nah, gold. Yeah, gold. I'm done with gold. Yeah. Unless we start forming a range here, all right? We form a range, and I mean, time-wise, I mean, if we form a range here, then sure, I'll consider some buys. But right now, though, I think I'm done on gold for the day. All right, I want to see how GJ closes here in about 10 minutes. Man, I'm locked in, bro. A nigga locked in. You can't fault a nigga for being locked in.
Multitask, boy.
Nah, bro. When it comes to this, I ain't doing no multitasking, dog.
That's no weakness.
Hey, if weakness is gonna keep me profitable, I'll be weak all day, dog. Let me change this. Why is this Discord not? Okay.
You can wait inside. So for
What's let's UJ, put a buy stop. Yeah, bruh. Yeah, Rooks, you wanna be careful with you wanna be careful. Oh, Rook man, no day yourself. When this guy no day, see this guy on the yummy dust. Yeah, man. So nice trade. Oh, am I the viewer? How does this work? This concurrent viewer joint. Is yo, if there's somebody else in here, let me see a W in the chat. Let's see a W in the chat, man. Come on, man. I need some engagement, dog. I'll give you a mod, bro. I'll mod you, bro. I lied though. I'm not modding you. Shit. You talk about. I lied. I lied. Okay, so we're just waiting on GJ. Let's see the close. Yeah, to be honest, I don't think we're gonna have anything because for sales we're gonna need to, at least not on stream. I probably won't have anything on stream, right? Because for sales, this basically needs to either flip or close below this level, and then I need a top wick to come down. For buys, I pretty much need to close above. Well, not really. Well, yeah, for buys, I would still need a bottom wick. All right, we could close like this for buys, but I still need a bottom wick. The 4 hour is closing. I mean, I would prefer to close above this level. All right. 4 hour close above that level. Maybe the hourly comes down, creates a bottom wick to wherever we drove off of. Let's say around here. So this should be a good bottom wick. Yeah, around there, and then flip, and then yeah, I'll be in the buys there, but Borero. Eminado. Oh, my fault. Hey, yo. I forgot I was still on stream, dog. All right, so I'm about to hop off here. GJ, how's GJ gonna close? So what I'm looking for with GJ is basically for buys a closure above here on the 4-hour, but then we need a good bottom wick. A good bottom wick. Yeah, we need a decent bottom wick. I would say, let me see. Yeah, now let me use a 4-hour level for the bottom wick. So we came all the way from down there, tapped in. When we closed below, came down here. Jagaban. Alright, so that would be these levels here, no? So that's this level. What's that on the hourly? Yeah, the hourly flipped nicely. I like the flip on the hourly as well. Hourly 30. I'd say, yeah, it's a tough one. It's a tough one still. Okay, so let's see how this opens here. Yeah, first thing we did was make a top wick, say less. Yeah, so I need a let's see, 4-hour. I need a bottom wick to these areas right here. Yeah. I need a bottom wick to these areas. It's about 188.7 ish, around those areas. I'll take a bottom wick from there. If we flip on the 4 hour, right after we tap into these areas, we flip on the 4 hour, we should be good to continue to fill up this range. We might just fill up this range now. We could have already created our bottom wick right here, right? So we won't really need much more liquidity grabbing and such, but then you still have this on the hourly, right? You still have these levels, right? So yeah, that's what I'll be looking for on GJ on the 4 hour and all that. But for now, that's it for me. Good trade today. Focus on the trade, not on the profit. Yeah, man. So I'll see you guys next week, same time. Well, next week it might be a different West African time, but it's the same. It's the same. Wait, hold up. Daylight savings is when? Daylight savings. When? Sunday, March 10th. Okay, yeah, so March 10th. So next week is gonna be, so still 7:30 a.m. Eastern, but wait, no, it's not. No, it's not. That's a lie. Wait, but then, huh? Okay, no, everything resets, right? Yeah. I think so. Volume is still gonna be in at 7:30, right? Or am I bugging? No, I think everything resets. So yeah, I mean, we'll see what happens, but I think yeah, still 7:30 a.m. Eastern, and but it'll now be, I believe, 2:30 p.m. Right? No, 12:30. Yeah, 12:30 p.m. Watt. Quick maths, yeah, 12:30 p.m. Watt, yeah. So I'll see you guys next week. Go hug your kids, man. You're done trading. Go hug your kids. Say hello to the wife. All right, see y'all next time.